This is my Axial SCX24 Deadbolt, and it's a great little truck, but I want the suspension to be a bit more stiff. So I found these awesome little shock preload adjusters for the SCX24s on Thingiverse. I did not design these, so all credit goes to the designer right there. I'll put a link in the description of this video to where you can find these clips, as well as to the designer's Thingiverse page. Alrighty, they're all set and they're so tiny. Look at it compared to the entire print bed. I gotta take them off the printer, separate them all, take off all the brims, and then we can throw them on the car. There we go, we got all the brims off. I actually did drop one of the smallest ones here when I was taking all the brims off, and I have absolutely no idea where that went. There's pretty much no chance of me finding it because they're so tiny, but I have plenty here, so that won't be a problem. So to put these on, it's just the same as the big cars. You just pull down the shock spring, take your little tiny clip, and pop it on there. There we go. I actually only used one of the biggest ones on each shock, but I think it does, it does enough. It does what I want it to do. It also makes it sit up a little higher, which I kind of like that look on this truck. I also just noticed I'm missing a screw right there. That's why the whole front end is so sloppy, because it's not even attached properly. And I don't have another screw like that, so I'm gonna have to order those at some point. And check this out, we can still make it straight up my little flex ramp. So these little shock clips work amazingly. I absolutely love them. Again, there's a link in the description of this video to where you can find them, as well as to the designer's Thingiverse page, so make sure you go and check both of those out if you're interested. If you want to see some more awesome 3D printing videos from this channel, click right here for that. And if you want to see some more awesome videos about this little truck, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.